Hey you all, welcome or welcome back to my channel and welcome to my Temu haul. So I ordered some of the product from Temu and I'm here to share them with you. But let's start with one of the cutest thing I've ordered, and that is not the plant, it's artificial. Look at this. This looks cute. I know it's very much biggie for our plant, but I like it. This is so cute. And it's, I think, plastic. I thought it's going to be glass, but it's not. But it's cute. Something I'm happy about. I can place this on my table, and it will really add a good value, right? To at least Instagram as well, to my posts as well. So this is to keep my makeup. You can hear a lot of noise background. I'm sorry, there is a construction going on as well, and that's the reason you hear so much background noise. No, this something like this I really like, and why I bought this one is look over here. So if my products are wet, they can easily just drain out from here. Yes, it is not going to be a very great thing, but let's just say I am traveling and I've just used my shower bottle for this one. It's easy, but this is also something good because at least the water will drain from here itself and won't stay inside my bag. So I have to be careful what I'm going to place here, but let's see. But I'm happy it has really nice space. It's really spacious as well. So okay, I'll give it. The quality is decent. Okay, because so Temu में ये छोटी problems होती हैं, but all right. I think this was for somewhere 10-11 runs, and all right, this is fine. I will be using it a lot, right? For my traveling purpose, yes. And here it's like you can just keep all your stuff here. This package is actually big, so I'm happy about it. Okay, let's give it 8 on 10. 8 on 10, I'll give it this. I ordered this. No, it's a lens. I think I should have not ordered it. If you have iPhone, you don't need this, guys. I know I can't even return because the day is over. But it comes with this, and it has a lens. So it has a wide lens, but on my iPhone I'm really not able to use it because we have 3 cameras and this is just for like not working. So I'm not gonna use it, but I think people who can, let's see who will be able to use it, and then I can give you the real reviews on this one. So I don't know how much to rate this. Let's keep it for the last. Now I ordered a vacuum bag, plastic bag, vacuum bag actually, not plastic bag, but these are the vacuum bags, you can see. And you don't need a pump to push air out of these bags. Instead, you have this. So see on the screen, I don't know how much you can see, but there is some space over here where the air will move out from the product, and then they also have some air from here. So I don't know how this will work, but for sure I'm going to share it because for traveling these bags are really great. Vacuum bags are really amazing when you're traveling to different places because they make sure your space is used wisely on on your luggage. So recently I went to Kashmir and I was so happy I had these vacuum bags, like not this one, the other one, because all my fluffy jackets were really stuffed into my bag. It was nice, like, and that's the reason I bought this one where I don't need a vacuum. Let me use it and tell you how great these are. Okay, I like this. I am happy I ordered this product. It's here. The reason I like it that I did order this is it has 2 big bottles, it has 2 small bottles, it has 4 dibby, or I don't know, small box bottle, or how do I spell it, I don't know what do we call them. And then we have 2 spray bottles. Now, why I'm happy is, firstly, you can see how compact and how properly the things are placed in order. Because when we have these bags, like the pink one I just showed, ये bags थोड़े bulky हो जाते हैं, and when you have bulky bags, it's difficult to stuff inside your suitcase. But when you have something like this with so many bottles, it's easy, right? And I was so happy I did, because it comes with a pouch, it has these bottles, and these are silicone bottles, which is really nice because then it's easy for me to remove the product as well. And to remove the product, they have also given, one second, so I think this is nice that inside the bottle, like, I can remove stuff even after my trip, and I can just nicely make sure the bottle, the stuff is empty from the bottle. And these are nice, these are lightweight, these are silicone, you can see. Airtight तो मुझे नहीं लग रही है ये है, but नहीं, airtight नहीं है. This might come. So I don't know how this will work, but till now they are, and they have also written how much hose or how much you can fit in. So let's see. ये bottle खराब तो नहीं करती है ना? I hope it did not. Yeah, okay. The bottle is restored, so it's not airtight, frankly, but yeah, it is. It might be airtight because see, over here I can see the rubber, and when I just try to remove it, it goes like this. So okay, if I put something in this bottle, it is going to be airtight. It is going to stay, no doubt. So I have these, I have this, and I have this. These are the two bottles. Then I have big bottles as well, and I have spray bottle. And for spray bottle, they have given this, which is good because you generally, I don't know, where do you use them? Like, it's easy to just put your product inside, and you have this as well. I think this is just to, but okay, they have given everything. So, and they have also given this, so to clean the bottles from inside after use. Not bad. And in this also, you can just keep very little product. So if you're traveling somewhere, the space is less, but yes, it's for 1 to 2 weeks. You can keep all your products, and you're not going to struggle with bulky pouch. Instead, this has it all for you. मैंने 2 से 3 phone cover मंगाए हैं, and I was just happy about it. This I've already broken. I really liked the. So this is the phone cover. Now it has this heart, and I really liked it. See, on camera it looks so well. Like in person it looks good, but in camera it looks much more better, and the quality is okay. For 3-4 dirhams, this is good. So I really like it. Let's give this 8 on 10 again. Okay, one more black phone cover. Now this phone cover is something you should be having it if you are an influencer, or if you also love making videos. Ouch. Yes. So इसके ये जो suction cups हैं, these are good because I have a different one which is like सिर्फ इतना सा एक patch आता है which you can stick and you can use on your phones. Instead of that, I will prefer this because ये बहुत easily चिपक जाता है glasses पे. Let me also, I will show you this, like बहुत easily चिपक जाता है, and phone उतरता नहीं है, like the phone doesn't come out. This is really something I can suggest you guys. I will suggest you. It was really like, I don't remember how much this was for, but it has a good quality. So I'll give this 9 on 10 because my phone, when I'm removing it from the glass, my phone comes out, but this doesn't come out. So that's the reason I'm giving it 9. It has a strong grip and your phone will never fall. Plus you can keep changing this cover because whenever you are shooting on mirror or shooting where the glass is, this is handy, it's nice, but you don't want to use this cover every single where you go, right? Because it's like, it will stick on the table, and that is what was happening to me earlier. And I think separate cover of this is better, trust me. Yes, it's better. So 9 on 10. Next is these scissors for eyebrow. Now I am someone who doesn't do my eyebrows at home. Instead I go to a salon. But I recently was checking out, actually a lot of people do their eyebrows at home and it's easier. Plus I don't get a very huge, or my hairs are not that much that I have to go, so I try to skip 1 or 2 weeks. But I thought, why not give it a try? So I got this set from Temu. They have this where I can just remove my hair properly, and I like the scissor they have because it has a comb and it has a scissor like this, so it's easy. I have to show you guys, like, so let's see how this works out. I will rate this product, like the quality is good. Firstly, blades are also really decent, good, so I'll rate this an 9 on 10. And I will also put a tutorial of this. Then I ordered this chain. Okay, it's not that amazingly like जैसे मैंने photos में देखा था, because of course it's a photography, right? But this looks cute. My nails are not painted, sorry. This looks cute. It will go really nice with my pink dress, and it has a nice chain, a rose golden chain. So okay, decent, not bad. I'm not wasting my money. But when you order from Temu, you just feel like ordering everything because everything looks so amazing and you just want everything from their site. Another chain, let me show you. I like this chain, and I think somewhat similar. I have a earring which I did order earlier. This chain is a bit thicker on the side, like if you see, it's a bit thicker. And I really like the pendant it has, because look at this. Yeah, it looks much more better. I'll also add a picture. So I have used these for my washing machine, and it helps to remove the lint from your clothes, and it's worthy. So I've just ordered those sponges. These are for your washing machine. This, now I have already I'm using these. Let me show you. Like, this has photo frames. These are the magnet photo frames. You can just stick it on your fridge, and these days I am trying to use them more, because instead of buying keychains or instead of buying fridge magnets from the place, I also take a favorite photo. And this is how you can use it. Like, it's from the camera and you can just put it like this. I've ordered a couple of them. It's good to gift your family. You can just take pictures and give it to your friend. The next thing what I have ordered is, I don't know if you're on Temu, you might know what this is, but this is a mouse. Like, when you're using mouse, you can just have this pillow under your hand and the table won't hurt you, or I don't know if the discomfort. This is not very squishy. I thought it will be very soft. It is not that soft. It's a bit hard, but I think that's okay, because if it is a table that you're not okay with, and instead of having that line over here, it's better to have this pillow. Elastic is really good. It's not very tight or very loose, but because of this fabric on the elastic, acha lag raha hai, it's nice. Next I got, now this is something like this, like I don't know if you can see it. So I have my tripod here. You can stick this, like it's magnet. Firstly, using a magnet you can stick it on your iPhone or Androids as well, and you can see back camera mein kya capture hone wala hai. Whatever you're trying to take a photo, it's easy. For being a girl, I always want a front camera, or I'll ask my friend to add a second phone to see how the picture is being taken. But this is really great because okay, now you can see a clear photo, right? So you can actually see my camera my phone on a tripod. So it has this ring and box. Oh, yes, that's all for this haul, and I ordered very limited stuff for myself this time, but this is all. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video if you like it.